Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwini Priyadarshini Megur, also known as Avi, and I'm a PhD student in the field of biology. Today in this video, I'm going to be disclosing all the vitamin C serum that I really like for all skin type, and I'm going to be mentioning all the different products in the timeline below in the description. You just have to click on different timeline and see which product am I mentioning. Okay, the first vitamin C serum that I really like is from Minimalist. It is 10% vitamin C serum. The first ingredient here that you have to take into consideration is 3-O-ethylascorbic acid. It is a type of vitamin C which is very good for sensitive skin type. It also has Centella asiatica, which is a very well-known ingredient, also known as Gotu Kola, which soothes the skin, which calms the skin, especially heals the skin when it is extremely dry and helps your skin barrier to be healthy again. It also improves the collagen production and also removes the free radicals from your skin, which can lead to aging. So it is very watery. I have used it in India. I really like it. It is very good for all skin type, especially if you're sensitive skin type and you're looking for some serum which can absorb easily into your skin, then this is the one that you have to go for. The best part about this Minimalist 10% vitamin C serum is that if you're a beginner to vitamin C, usually when there is a beginner for vitamin C serum, we usually recommend them to take 5% of vitamin C and then progress to 10% of vitamin C. But if you're a beginner and you want to try some vitamin C serum out, then this one is really good. One downside about this company is that it is only well known in India, so you need to check Indian sites out. It is around $6.99 for 30 ml of product, so make sure that you grab your bottles. The second product that I really like is also from the Minimalist brand, but it's a 16% vitamin C serum. I call it the Pro Serum. It is not used by the beginners. It is for the people who have been using vitamin C for quite some time. The ingredient list is very similar. It has the 3-O-ethylascorbic acid, a very potent type of vitamin C. Then there is ferulic acid, which is also known as an antioxidant, vitamin E, another antioxidant. So the antioxidant helps to scavenge out all the free radicals from your face, which can lead to aging and hence lead to anti-aging purpose. One more thing is that if you are following a proper skincare routine, you are strict with your skincare routine, you're not very flexible, then you can use this 16% vitamin C serum. It is not for the beginners. Again, I'm telling you, if you're new to vitamin C world, then you need to try lesser percentage and then progress to the higher percentage. If you try the 16% in the first go, I'm pretty sure that your skin will start reacting to it. Again, this product you can only get in India. It is for 30 ml of product, rupees 5.99, which is quite affordable for me, but not for a lot of people in India. But if you really want to try this out, then go for this bottle. The third vitamin serum that I really like is Murad Vitamin C Glycolic Serum. This is quite a popular vitamin C product, but the thing is that it is very expensive for most of the people. And when you look at the texture of this vitamin C, it is a bit creamy and it is nice consistency. It is especially kind of moisturizing when you are applying it on your skin. Okay, this Murad Vitamin C Serum is again not for the beginners. It is for people who have been using the strict skincare routine for a very long time. The same exact thing that I told about the Minimalist 16% serum. So this Murad is also for the people who have been using skincare for a good 1 to 3 years. And the price of this particular serum is around 6,650 for 30 ml of product, which is quite pricey for Indian people. Yeah, so other than that, if you really are somewhere abroad, then probably you can take this serum. It is pretty pricey, but it does show a good benefits and effects on your skin, so it is known to have a very well formulated ingredients in it. Okay, the next serum that I really like is from the SkinCeuticals. It is with ferulic acid again, but this formulation is made with L-ascorbic acid. It is quite unstable in presence of oxygen as well as light. It is not a very friendly ingredient, let's put it in that way. So the SkinCeuticals came up with this formulation and it is with ferulic acid. But to be honest, like compared to all the vitamin C's with L-ascorbic acid formulation, SkinCeuticals could actually make it stable, and that was really good. Usually ferulic acid is used with the vitamin C to make it stable, and they came up with this product and they made it stable, and it is very good formulation. It is again towards the pricey point, and I would not recommend it to the people who are beginners. It is very good for all skin type. You can use it and you can see the benefits of it just 2 months down the line using this product. So now looking at the price point of this SkinCeuticals Vitamin C with the ferulic acid, can you guess the price? It is $182 US. That is pretty pricey. If you can afford this, this is a good one. It has been stable, it works well, but the only downside about this is that it doesn't have a well packaging done, because like vitamin C should be packaged in a pump bottle and it should not be exposed to the oxygen again and again. But what happens is that vitamin C's shelf life reduces when there is not a proper packaging. So this bottle, even if it is a dark bottle, then it is still not good. So I would rather go for the cheaper options by Minimalist. The next vitamin C serum that I'm going to be introducing you guys to is the tetrahexyl dicyl ascorbate. It is the ester of vitamin C, a very stable form of vitamin C. It does the same job of L-ascorbic acid. It is much more stable as compared to L-ascorbic acid. I just love this ingredient in general. The one serum that I really like is Dr. Loretta. It is $70 and it comes in a dropper bottle, a creamish yellow bottle. It's really good. I really like it. It has different essential elements that is necessary for fixing your barriers and barrier functioning, and it is really good. I like this one, but it is very hard to get in all the countries, but if you're in US, it's easily accessible to you. And the next serum is the Sunday Riley. It is of course very well known for all Americans out there. It's a very good type of vitamin C. I like it. It has different formulations, which is good for brightening up your skin and also getting rid of the hyperpigmentation. Again, it is towards the pricey point, and it is with $85 of price with squalene to replenish your skin. The next serum that I really like is from Paula's Choice, and it is super antioxidant serum. The one thing about this is that Paula's Choice is very good. It is quite not that pricey, not that affordable, and plus it is good for normal to dry skin type, and anyone can use it. It is good for skin of color. Of course, if you're taking this into consideration, please take this one. It is really good for skin of color. The last product that I really like is from Inkey list, and it is 15% vitamin C with EGF, and the formulation is good, the packaging is good, it is not that expensive, it is quite affordable, and it is really good for skin of color, dry skin, and sensitive skin type. You can use it and let me know what you think about all of these products that I have mentioned. If you like any of these products, make sure that you write down in the comment section below, and also reach out to me on my Instagram handle. So make sure that you like this video as well and share this video with your friends, and I would see you soon with another one. Okay, bye.